and creating confusion in that political party, because some members of that political party who feel they are original members are not of the idea to allow that the PF regroup in their party under the guise of their party. And that has created confusion in their party. We are aware that the PF, some of them senior members, some of them former ministers, are holding dark corner meetings in the night at the residence of two former ministers, the residences of two former ministers. They are meeting there in the night and they are plotting how best to make the country ungovernable. We are aware that they have approached unions to ask them to create turmoil in the workers' industry. We know that they are meeting students' unions to ask them to create an atmosphere of protest. We are aware that they are recalling their thugs and regrouping their thugs, those that were in the markets, those that were causing mayhem to our people, those that were beating up people and causing violence and had an illegal setup called Kamgodi and so on, and other places in the country. They are recalling these thugs to regroup so that they can cause violence in the country and make the country ungovernable, to try and show that the UPND alliance government has failed. We know that the narrative that they are trying to portray is that yes, they have moved the people out of the markets, but where to next? Hence, crime has increased. We want to take the opportunity to warn you, Patriotic Front, to warn you, you individuals that are meeting. We have all of you here. We have the whole list. We have your footage. We have your voice recordings. We have the minutes. We have everything you are doing. We want to warn you, desist from what you are doing. Do not take, I repeat, do not take your newly found freedoms for granted to try and destabilize the country. I want to re-echo the words of President Hakainde Hichilema at his last presser when he said, PF, behave. Do not provoke a situation that we are managing. Behave yourselves. So we take the opportunity to sound a warning to you that we will follow you, we will smoke you out of those holes, and we will make you face the law, and you will be locked up. This country has got laws, and it will be governed by laws. And if you feel so free that you can destabilize this country by the criminal activities that you are plotting, be careful. Be very, very careful. We are going to smoke you out. We are going to make you face the law. So we beg you, we caution you, desist from what you are doing, because very soon, very, very soon, we'll clamp down on you and you will suffer as individuals. You may be that group, but you will be sorted out as individuals as you will face the law individually. So you two former ministers hosting these meetings at your homes, be careful. We are aware and we'll pounce on you. We are just giving you a friendly warning. Stop doing what you are doing. Stop trying to make the country ungovernable. I thank you. Unless you have questions, please.
Out of curiosity, will you be in a position to give us the names of these two ministers and what exactly are they doing?
No, we will not give you the names of the ministers, the former ministers. We will keep it quiet for now. But at the correct time, when they are arrested, you will know them. We just want them to know that we know what they have. And they must understand that when you are in a system the way we are, every time you are in a meeting planning something clandestine, there's somebody there who will record you, and somebody who will bring that recording to us, and somebody who will bring the facts to us. So wherever you are, we are there. So there's no secret, especially when you are plotting evil against a democratically elected government such as ours.
What about the name of the political party? Are you
The same
actually
applies.
going to-
The same applies, that the name of the political party remains upheld for now, or withheld for now, but just know that they have created chaos in that political party, and there's confusion in that political party, because the members in that political party are not happy with the idea of them regrouping, because their leader in that political party has embraced the idea of regrouping, because these people regrouping are bringing filthy resources so that they move forward together and in doing all these kinds of activities. But the actual members have said, no, we can't be party to this. Therefore, there is now confusion in that political party.
Since you are calling it a matter of security concern, have you reported them to the police?
The security agencies are aware, and at the correct time, they will bounce. Ours is a political warning, a friendly warning, to warn our colleagues to desist so that they don't find themselves in trouble. We are aware that among them, there are those that are not for the idea, and that is why we have this information. And now we are warning all of them to be aware that we know what they are doing, and they better desist before trouble comes.
Want to get a comment on the elections in Eastern Province?
Sorry?
A comment on the elections, upcoming elections in Eastern Province.
There were 7 elections held yesterday. 1 parliamentary by-election in Kaongwe, 4 local government elections, and 2 council chairperson elections, 1 in Chisamba and 1 in Lusangazi. Out of the 7, we retained 5 seats and lost 2. Therefore, we are on the correct trajectory. We congratulate our colleagues for having won in Eastern Province, but the struggle continues. We will continue to provide leadership to the people of Zambia, including the people of Eastern Province, so that then, by the time we get to the next elections, they will appreciate the kind of leadership that we're able to offer. I hope that is a whisper for a question, or it's a whisper for...